So what are the different ways that we can travel?
And you would ask, how is this relevant to our insane project?
Well, we wanted to travel the UK and Europe, so we thought the best way was to get a van and convert it into a camper van.
All of these problems, we didn't see them coming. It's been brutal and an extreme challenge for us.
We're completely fed up of waiting.
Feeling lost in limbo.
This way or that way?
Van. That's all we talk about, all we think about. Stopping us sleep.
We're also battling with stress and not being able to relax. But despite all of these, we've decided not to let it stop us.
It's not stopping us to travel. Well, we found a way and we'll tell you how.
Baz, you ready? Baz, you ready?
But before we tell you, we want to show you what our mischievous friend got up to. Give him a Ryan sock. Let go. Some of these in exchange? Yeah? Sit. Good boy. Well done. Good boy. Well done. Rescue the sock.
So the reason we wanted you to meet Baz is he is the start of our next chapter. While we're still waiting on news about our van in the engine shop, we've decided to do things like Elsa and let it go. What we mean by that is to let our issues with our van go for a while and start our travels.
Baz is one of our cute little friends that we have met along the way and touched our hearts. So for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome.
We are Jenny and Ryan, and we gave up our London flat in November last year in order to travel the world.
We are currently using trusted house sitters to look after Baz and other little friends in order to save money for the cuddles, of course, and to start our travels. And we're so excited for what's to come. We get to take you with us in this incredible adventure.
So we find ourselves in Brentwood, in Essex. We're looking after Baz, who is a puppy and has lots of energy.
Hey, Peroni.
We're also looking after Peroni, the bunny rabbit.
He likes nose. Scratch it.
We're at the fair. That's so cool. They've got like this little here. And they're showing CPR over there. That's amazing. I want to go on the slide over there.
Look at this guy and his little tank. Look. I think it's broken down. Sounds like our van.
It's very simple. All you have to do is push. And then, after we count down to 3, you will push. And your parents will scream and cheer and shout as loud as they can. Do you think you can do that? Okay, that's a yes. Ready? Push. It's 3, 2, 1, go!
We had an amazing time in Brentwood, but unfortunately we had to leave Baz.
On the way to Lewes. So we just made it to Lewes. Lewes, I think that's how it's pronounced. And we're going to where we're staying, which is amazing. We've got Finn, we're looking after Finn, lovely Finn.
So we made it to Lewes. What an amazing, beautiful town this is. Look at the little canal running through the town. So beautiful.
We're on our way to Eastbourne. I keep saying Brighton, but we're doing Brighton tomorrow. I'm quite impressed with Lewes so far. It's a very, very charming little town. Quaint. It's a very quaint town.
Hopefully we can get some amazing views for you guys. I remember when I was little going on the 2p machines and getting, you know, £1 or £2 full of 2p's and actually believing or thinking that I could get more than what I put in.
Got a little friend with us. It's Finn. Finley.
Probably tried to get that bird.
we encountered a problem. I mean, we are used to problems, right?
We're a little bit disappointed, actually.
Yeah, we are. Because, I mean, everywhere, we love a dog-friendly, I know, we love a dog-friendly place, and it just says no dogs allowed, which is very sad. It's not great. So I guess one of us will have to show you the pier, and the other one will sit outside.
So here we are at Eastbourne Pier. That beautiful view over there. I don't know how far you guys can see in the distance there, but and the 10p machines. Oh look, we've got £5 wrapped up here, £5 there. I love a 2p machine. I'll have a play about with them later, I think. But it's a bit disappointing with obviously the dogs not being allowed, because now I'll have to come on my own. Wonder how many people dive off the side of this pier. How beautiful.
Absolutely fantastic, and we thought that Finley wasn't going to be able to enjoy the walk, but we're taking it slow. We're taking loads of breaks. We even brought his breakfast with us, and obviously water, very important. Faster, faster, faster. Oh yeah.
Come on.
We are getting fitter, but how do you feel after that little course, obstacle course?
Perfectly fine, thank you very much. That's in Jenny's head.
And although it's a rocky beach, but it's really, really nice. Ryan, do you want to try it? Do you want to go swimming for a bit? Shall we go swimming for a bit? We didn't get one wave.
Yeah, but I didn't wave at them. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give it back to them, because most times when a bus passes you, they're just staring at you and they're also filming you. So I thought I'd film them.
We haven't been on an open-top bus for a while. I don't know if ever.
Yeah, I don't remember. Because you know why? Because I always think it's overpriced and you could just drive around the area.
We're going to have to try an open bus.
For 300 likes, we're going to do an open-top bus ride in our next video.
Do you think it's worth going on an open-top bus? Let us know. Do you want us to go? We'll see. Just leave it in the comments. If you tell us to go, we'll do it. And Ryan will hate every minute of it.
We need at least 10 comments, though, to say that.
Where are we going?
We're going for an ice cream. Gelato.
Some essence.
That's my banana boat.
My eyes are bigger than my belly.
The ice cream.
Even Finn got some refreshments.
Sky Club big wheel, look at that, wow! We're now at the other end of Eastbourne Beach, and at this end we've got Crazy Golf over the other side, and we've got some nice things for the kids over here, and there's some swimming as well for the kids, so there's plenty to do up here. And we found a camper van, same as ours, but this is a medium wheelbase rather than a long wheelbase. So yeah, the advantages of this. There's great advantages of travelling by camper as well, because you can sleep in there at night, but it's a nice van.
We found another camper van.
At least we think it is.
Well, maybe. It's got windows.
Yeah. Seagulls are flying, they're not getting anywhere.
Yeah, they're sort of floating. It looks like they're floating. Gliding seagulls. Yeah.
Going home now. Or Finn's home. We're going to Finn's home.
We're just saying goodbye to Finley quickly because we're going out for a walk without him. We don't. He's 14 years old and we're not too sure how he's going to manage the cliffs that we're going to walk. So yeah, we'll leave him here to sleep. He had a big busy day yesterday going to Southbourne anyway. So it's Eastbourne, but I call it Southbourne.
And we decided to do this gorgeous country walk, but it's quite hard. Let's see if we can do it. Starting at Chapel Hill.
Looking forward to this steep walk after yesterday going to Southbourne. My calves are hurting a little bit. Definitely need to get my fitness up for this world tour travel thing we're planning on doing. I'm walking up the hill and I'm puffing. How are you feeling, Jenny? Are you puffing? This is the first little hill.
Temperature check.
Daily temperature check. It is 22 in Lewes.
Woohoo! And I'm wearing black.
Yeah, we made a little mistake of wearing, well, Jenny did, wearing black, but I've got jeans on. Because this is the thing, right? Weather said 40% precipitation, so that means 40% chance of rain.
Yeah, no, but it was irrelevant because all our shorts and summer clothes are in the van.
Story of our lives. Going somewhere, but on the road to nowhere.
So it's a good workout. I had to take a couple of painkillers earlier so I wasn't in pain, and we're glad that we didn't bring Finley with us, as you can tell.
Look, can you see the sweat on my brow?
Yes, he tests your fitness for sure. We can do this. We can do this, Ryan. Let's go. Yes, you can see from here, we're quite high up already. And we made it! Oh, then we got here to this golf club. So it says that you have to be mindful of golfers coming from the right. Okay, we're taking a little break because it's really tiring. It's really nice. It feels really nice to be up here, but it's very tiring.
Yeah, but 22 degrees, walking up a hill. I mean, if you just look down there, you can see how far we've walked. Look. Yeah, we've walked, I don't know, it's only been about 20 minutes, I feel like, but it's been great fun. That way. Walking up this beautiful, amazing hill, just realised one thing. You can't get a van up this hill. And you'll see a world of pure imagination. Or just a gate, I don't know, maybe. Come through the gate. We have no idea where we're going. We have no idea how long this walk is, but we're walking it anyway. Jenny, do you know where you're going?
I've been waiting to get to the cliff.
No,
I don't think this is the way.
Just hills here, I'm afraid, darling.
This is just a walk. It's a lovely walk, lovely nature walk. Hopefully we'll get to the top of the cliff at some point.
Let's take you up and away.
And this was the end of the walk.
I would say it was about 40 minutes each way. 45 minutes each way. So we decided to just head back. All right, we're coming down and finishing our walk. It's quite treacherous here.
We're off to Brighton.
We made it to Brighton.
Welcome to Brighton, everyone.
So the first thing we're going to go and see is the upside down house, and then a building, I-360, some Final Destination stuff.
Has anyone seen the new Final Destination? It's really good, actually, the new one. We quite liked it. We went to the cinema the other day and saw it. So I highly recommend it. If anyone's thinking of watching it, go and watch it.
Amazing, we made it. So this is the upside down house. Not dog friendly. I don't think we are allowed with the dog, so we're not going to go in it. So you can start with that. I don't think that's the pier. The pier's over there. So this was the pier that burned down. That was very close to the upside down house. So you can see over there. I'm assuming that's where they serve cocktails. Really? There is people swimming here today. Obviously it's quite warm. There's someone in a paddle boat. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can see them in the distance, but it's really hot. So Brighton seems to have this holiday feel to it, or it feels that like we've stepped outside, stepped in another country.
You know when you get them abroad vibes?
So just like Eastbourne, the pier is not dog friendly, which is really sad. It's not good, right? It's not good for a friend here.
And guess what? Ryan didn't even get to go on the 2p machine. Oh well, next time.
What a great few days out this week. Now it's time for reflection.
There is hundreds and hundreds of cars in this car park and some vans as well. But it leads you to think and realise that actually they're just chunks of metal. What I'm getting at when I say that is, why do we worry about the van so much? Some people sleep in them and obviously they go from A to B. At the end of the day, what they are is they are a tool. So some people love them so much, they treat them like a piece of their family. And, you know, I understand it, I get it. We grow the love for the van. But the reality is, don't give it so much importance.
So let's enjoy life to the maximum.